Greetings to all. Welcome to Bangladesh, often referred as Shonar Bangla. We have three delegates representing the nation. Firstly, let's start with the location of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is located in the Indian subcontinent, sharing border with India and Myanmar. The capital of the country is Dhaka and the official language is Bangla. Dhaka is the currency of the state. Let's now explore the facts about this beautiful country. Bangladesh's story begins in ancient Bengal, once part of great empires like the Maurya, Gupta and Mughal dynasties, famous for trade and culture. In 1947, it became East Pakistan, separated from West Pakistan by 1,600 kilometers. But political and cultural neglect grew. In 1952, the language movement defended Bangla at the cost of lives. Finally, after a 9-month liberation war in 1971, Bangladesh achieved independence on 16 December, built on courage and sacrifice. Bangladesh culture is a colorful blend of tradition and creativity. Festivals like Pohela Boishakh welcome the Bengali New Year with music and dance. Folk songs of Lalon, poetry of Tagore and Nazrul, and crafts like Jamdani weaving showcase its heritage. Food is a delight. Ilish mach, biryani, and sweets like Rasgulla. The people are known for their warmth and hospitality, making Bangladesh a living example of Shonar Bangla, the Golden Bengal.
Bangladesh is a parliamentary democracy under Westminster-style constitution adopted in 1972. The Jatiya Sansad consists of 350 members including 50 for women, managing laws, budgets and oversight. Political tensions recently led to Parliament's resolution on 6 August 2024 with Professor Mohammad Yunus heading the interim government.
Since 2005, Bangladesh has promoted environmental education through a diploma program, which trains students to manage urban issues like waste, water and industrial pollution. R&D research supports the growing of drought-resistant crops, cleaner brick kilns and e-waste recycling, playing a major role in Bangladesh's sustainable future.
The tech sector is advancing with Clean Coal Project, carbon capture and e-governance for transparent public services. The National Data Repository is linking the government department for smarter management.
Through Bangladesh National Digital Architecture, over 800 services will be digitalized by 2026 with AI, blockchain and cybersecurity training for 50,000 experts by 2030.
As South Asia's second largest economy, Bangladesh has reached a GDP of $467 billion. Services leads the economy, followed by agriculture and industries, as it prepares to graduate from LDC status in 2026. We are diversifying our economy. Sectors like garments, IT, pharmaceuticals are growing in the state. Mobile financial platforms like bKash and Nagad processes over $100 billion yearly, though digital literacy remains a challenge.
Anti-corruption measures, human rights investigation and education reforms are underway. With the updated curricula, ICT integration and expanded vocational training for the youths.
Under First Goals 2013, Bangladesh is upgrading its military with advanced tanks, submarines and missiles. Over 6,300 troops are serving as UN peacekeepers. Defense ties are widening to include China, Turkey and the US.
Bangladesh's 2030 vision includes AI innovation, climate adaptation and clean energy. Ambitions include 82% of female workforce participation, 40 million middle-class citizens and becoming the 23rd largest economy by 2050.
Bangladesh is standing at a transformative crossroad driven by bold reforms, technological innovations and strategic diplomacy, with its eyes set on inclusivity, sustainability and global integration. The nation is shaping its resilient future. This is Mohini Sengupta signing off as delegate of Bangladesh. Jai Bangla.